Stop for a while. Do you think anybody's still watching? Who cares? I don't think there's anybody there on the other side. Like, you took an ear off, what do you expect? Well, what do you mean? I'd like to know. Well, maybe there are 2-3 people there. Why? There were a lot more, but now they're all gone because you took a very long vacation. I told you we should come back much earlier. I hope there's still somebody there watching. Anyways, whatever, we have to finish the car anyways. I know, okay, we're gonna finish the car anyways. I hope that we didn't lose our audience. But I hope they're still there watching because it was fun. It was fun with them. Hopefully they're still there. Okay, so just tell them that we're back and they're gonna see more episodes soon and whatever. Just tell them something and let's keep working here. Alright guys, if you're still there, have a little bit more patience. We're coming back. We are back on this car. So soon we're gonna be back with our new episodes for the new season. So stay tuned. Oh.